In this video, I will be showing you how to create a birthday card in Canva. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva homepage, scrolling through some of the different template categories and inspiration sections. There are so many options to choose from, but since I have something specific in mind, I'll head back to the top and type birthday card into the search bar. Now I can browse through the results to find a design that catches my eye. I'm looking for something with a nice balance of space and style. This purple floral template looks great, so I'll click it and then select Customize this template to bring it into my editor. To start personalizing, I'll click on the text at the top and change the name from Estelle to Samantha. I'll also move the main Happy Birthday text down slightly to give the layout some more room. Next, I want to swap out the main greeting for a different style. I'll open the Elements tab on the left and search for Happy Birthday Graphics. I like this handwritten version, so I'll click it to add it to my design. I'll delete the original text and move this new graphic into its place, resizing it until it looks perfect. I'd also like to change the flower to something a bit more vibrant. I'll search the elements for flower and scroll through the photos until I find these pink and white cosmos. Once I add them, I'll delete the old purple flower and position the new photo on the left side of the card. I'll just do a final resize and move things around a bit to make sure everything is perfectly aligned and balanced. And that's it, a beautiful, custom birthday card ready to send.